Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can stabilize your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is really useful if you have shot video handheld, maybe on your phone or with a camera, and you want to correct some of that shakiness. So if we go ahead and watch our clip here that I have, you can see it's a little bit shaky. So what we can do to correct this is we want to use the warp stabilizer effect. And to find it, simply go to your effects panel. If you don't see your effects panel, click on window and make sure it's enabled here. And under your effects panel, let's go ahead and search for the warp stabilizer. So let's drag and drop that onto our clip. You can see it's going to say analyzing in background. This is going to analyze the footage so that it correctly adjusts the shakiness without distorting the image or the video. So let's give it a minute or two to finish analyzing. It's also going to depend on how large your clip is, how much movement there is, and the resolution. There we go. So it's been added to our footage. Let's scrub back a bit and let's play our video. So as you can see, a lot of the more jerky movements were pretty much removed, but the wide sweeping motions, the camera panning, is still there. So you don't have to worry about it messing with your like framing in your videos. And you can also adjust it here in the effect controls panel. Again, if you don't see this, simply click on window and make sure effect controls is enabled. I like to keep it here on my right hand side. That way I get to tinker with it while at the same time managing other things. So let's go ahead and let's say we would like to change the method of stabilization. Let's say we want to fix the position, scale, and rotation. So for different types of footage, you're going to want different types of method. So for example, position, this is simply moving the footage from left to right and up to down to correct it. Scale will also zoom in and zoom out, and rotation, again, kind of self-explanatory. Rotation will also rotate the footage a bit. So if you look at our footage now, you can see that this also does a pretty good job of addressing the shakiness. So let's toggle it off real quick so that we can see the before and afters. So this is before, like right there, you notice it jerks up and down a little bit. But if we turn it back on and play, there's no up and down jerkiness, and it's all smooth camera movement. So there's still a little bit of work to be done on this clip. I'd like to have the person in the frame to be tracked, but I'll do that on my own time. So that's how to stabilize your footage and remove shakiness in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.